Speed is everything in the options market. Today, I'm showing you how we built a professional-grade trading dashboard that processes live market data using Python WebSockets and the Upstox API, all rendered in a lightning-fast React Vite frontend. The backbone is Python. We use WebSockets to stream spot prices and ITM2 option strikes simultaneously. One of the best features? Auto strike selection. If Nifty moves, the system automatically shifts focus to the new ITM2 strikes, keeping your data relevant without manual searching. The logic is where the magic happens. We've implemented 19 custom formulas. We calculate, call move, and put move by comparing the high and low of options against the spot price. This generates three critical levels, BOP, or balance of power, and our upper and lower boundaries, SEP and PEP. The dashboard identifies the trend for you. If the last traded price is above our key levels, it signals a call zone. If it's below, it's a put zone. Otherwise, the system tells you to wait. Visual clarity is key. We built a dynamic background system, green for bullish momentum, red for bearish trends, and yellow for the caution zone between BOP and PEP. Every value is recorded every minute so you can track the evolution of the market. With a simple logo, background customization, and secure password protection, this is a complete professional tool. This is how you turn raw API data into a massive competitive advantage.